Go! I get so nervous pulling a motherboard out of anything. That's a beautiful motherboard.
Pause. Hello guys, and welcome. Today we built our teacher a computer, and it was pretty amazing. I'm gonna guide you through this video, so yeah, just let me know. Alright, enjoy the video. No, I want to start with the CPU. Alright, let's leave this right here.
Is it recording right now?
Where's this going?
Is it just going all the way out? Oh, are we gonna unscrew this entire thing?
Yes, that's why I'm like, let's do the CPU first.
Yeah, you're shaking it. Triangles. What's it in there? Oh, hey.
Oh, why does it have so much tension?
It always has so much tension.
Alright. Look at Jake go. Oh yeah, well, I don't even know what to say.
It's beautiful, really.
I can't believe that Jameson Taroshi didn't come. Like, he purposely missed out on this. He's too caught up in the fame and glory of being a bassist.
Being a pink lady.
I got it. Okay, so from here you just...
Okay.
It's very simple. You just...
That's actually so nice.
Yeah, that's... I love that.
Now, what does that for? How much is it?
There's
It's $0. It's a free kit.
Alright.
Okay, let's get it.
You drop these screws in, we'll go on. You got your fancy screwdriver?
Yeah, is there...
Do the honors that one?
Satisfying ASMR.
Oh.
Why are you screwing it in normally?
I don't know if
Can you move it? Oh,
Yeah.
it should be.
I think.
Did
Yeah,
you
this
tighten
one.
everything?
Do you want to use the electric part now?
Should you tighten it all the way?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like,
but not too much. Well,
barely. Like you feel it a little bit.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'd say tighten it more than that.
Let me try it. Oh, this one needs a lot of thing. Here we go.
Okay, so just hand tight is what we do.
Yeah.
This is
We need a B-roll shot. Wait, get a B-roll shot. For RAM, we chose Team Group's T-Create DDR5. Why? Just because it's great value. Maybe it's because I, kind of do that.
Okay, wait, do we need to check the manual to know which ones are the best?
wait.
No, it tells you right there first.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay.
First are DIM 2 and 2. 2 and 2.
Where are they? Oh yeah, I know that.
Do the honors, Jay. Click it in.
Did the like tutorial that like we were making fun of? Did it like it didn't say anything of like the order
You didn't
put it
click
in there?
that one in, right?
So,
For storage, we went for the MSI Spatium M480 Pro. Why? Because it was one of the cheapest drives that still had cache. Oh, you do.
yeah, that's true. So much for screwless installation. Is that what the extra screw in the box was for, maybe? For the longer, for the one over there? I don't know.
Going great so far.
Oh my god, you have install the screw back.
Hold on.
Okay. What is it?
It is like I originally thought. It's just a quick, latch.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. There we go. Alright.
And now?
Everyone's gonna review all this footage and be like, wow, this is so useless. Sugoi.
Yeah.
I'm okay. By the way, guys, I don't
I
care if I touch it. I'm gonna record everything.
Should be in there.
Is this the power supply? Sugoi.
Not like that.
What happened to my bits?
Linus Tech Tips after finding out Gamers Nexus. Now for the cooler, we went with the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 because it's cheap and it's really great value. It'll cool this computer just fine.
Why'd you look up at me like that?
How's it going, boys?
Good.
Pretty messy, but fun.
It looks pretty messy.
Don't worry, it
Thanks.
gets cleaned. So you clip this onto the fan, and then you clip this onto this, which you might want to read the instructions. And he never figured out how to put the fans on the cooler. That's murder.
You didn't?
Who was supposed to do that?
Leo,
Oh,
if you want, I can start case prepping. Literally just insert the power supply.
Oh yeah, I wanted to do that. How are we gonna do this?
Just keep going. This is like an iPhone box, bro.
You're right. Alright. Those are
The red
huge
one?
fans. What? Those 180 millimeter fans, dude. Those are insane.
Oh my DDs.
No, those are
Those are just 140.
Those are 120s. For the case, we went for the Fantex XT Pro Ultra because it had 4 pre-installed fans and it fit the build pretty nicely.
Wow.
Oh, static.
How do you do this thing? I don't know. It's very weird and disgusting.
Oh, yeah, I just...
No, I mean that thing. How do you put it in?
Put it in like this. And then there's one on this side.
Oh, what?
Slide it in.
Does it actually go in like? It's not going like these. It's nasty.
Oh, that's the accessory.
So, I think we installed these backwards. Just
Why are you using the manual screwdriver? Why don't you use the wow stick? The wow.
A little bit. Just,
who could that be? Is
I
Jameson?
don't know.
It's Jameson. Jameson returns.
Oh my.
Why?
Hey Jay, take a look.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
Those who know.
They have tech.
Let me just put this in the oven.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. You want me to help you?
Oh, that's hot.
Oh.
I forgot he just baked cookies. I'm Ginseng Jing.
What?
Wait, what's his name? Wait, what's the NVIDIA CEO name? No.
Oh, names. I brought you Dragon.
Oh.
Dragon Tribe.
Why is the cooler so big?
How do
I got a little
that?
thinking one.
That's gonna be weird to get it in with that fan in the way. Oh, wait, should I just keep this? It's gonna go to the side of this anyway, right? It's not gonna be. Yeah.
Was that a built-in PCIe shield?
Yes, the monitor does. Or the
Monitor.
motherboard.
Why did you screw in the power supply without putting the cables in first?
Oh,
It's been there for like 20
you're right. I should have done that.
That's why your case prep.
Perfect. I wish you were that small.
Oh.
Perfect B-roll of the dog.
Spunky.
Can I get I fix it screw?
How does the song go again?
A little break from the PC builder to show everyone Sprunky. Let's go.
You have to click on the little sprunks, dude. If you click on it. Click on it, bro. No, don't drag. Just click. You make me angry. Spunky son. All of Jay's YouTube recommendation. This is it. Emote, dude.
Jay, what is that? Is that a RTX 3070 with 8 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM?
Show you.
Oh, there's card. Let's take that again. We're doing the GPU unboxing, guys. Oh my god. For the graphics card, we chose an RTX 3070 off of eBay because it was the best value that we could find at the time of recording this video. Cable managing for the past hour, and now we get to finally do the best part.
Does that line up?
Jay, I can do it. I've reinserted my GPU a
Oh, I
lot.
missed it completely. Yeah. Oh, you blocked it. Your body's in the way. Changing angles. Wait. This is very hyperactive footage right now.
Let's just let go.
Yeah. Don't mess it up now. Oh my god, you're stabbing stuff on the motherboard, bro. Try to press on the left first this time.
There you go.
Oh, I hate that sound. It's in.
It is
It's
in.
in. Okay, now screw it. Oh, that was awful. Oh
You want to
lord.
screw it in? Because
Yes, I'll screw it in. Here, take it.
yeah, I'll take this back. No case, just think about Sprunki. You want me to put it in?
Oh my god.
Give it to me. Yeah, that's fine.
You're stressing me out so bad. What are you trying to do?
Cable. Wow. And with that, the PC build's complete. Sorry, There's no B-roll because I forgot and my camera was dying.
Oh, this is really the menu.
This is all plugged in, right?
Everything should be plugged in, right? Did you plug in the GPU?
I just go die.
Turn on.
Yeah.
What's a scholar? Savannah.
Button. Don't blow up.
Don't turn around.
Oh, okay, lights are on.
It just
Wow.
It catches on fire.
Button is your delete key, right?
Start button? Yeah. If it's on, it's gotta be booting, right? What is it? The light is on DRAM. The light was on DRAM just now. It's it's working right now, but we can't. Is this thing on?
It works. Oh. Yeah. Oh!
Wow, it looks fire.
It's slipping out.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.